Continuing around the microphone and up onto the stage, you have reached your destination. I first started doing voiceovers in Australia, and I give this advice to people who say they want to get into the heady world of voiceovers. I started to listen to everything on the radio and everything on the TV, and I would copy everything. So if somebody was doing a really girly, or the women, if there was a really girly read, I would copy it. If there was an older female read, I would copy it. If there was a character read, I would copy it. And that helped me discover my style, I suppose, because I could hear what was really resonating and working. The other way is just voraciously recording yourself and listening back to it, and your ear will tell you, I hope, that it's either close to that commercial you were copying or not. And I think that's part of the craft, is really being able to have the kind of ear that can hear very fine differences between two reads. So copy everything, and that would be my advice.